Welcome to Unique Exotic Flowers, where rare and vibrant flowers bloom with care. Today, we'll explore how to grow and multiply the beautiful 10 o'clock flower, also known as moss rose. Step 1. Prepare the soil. Use loose, well-drained soil. Mix garden soil, sand, and compost in a 6:3:1 ratio. Remove weeds and loosen about 20 centimeters of the top layer. Add organic fertilizer like compost or worm castings. Mix thoroughly to enrich the soil and support strong root growth. Take a 2 to 3 inch cutting from a healthy plant. Remove the lower leaves and insert the stem into moist soil. If you plant by seed, you should also prepare the soil similarly to how you propagate by cuttings. In about 25 to 30 days, your garden will be blooming with vibrant colors. This flower opens around 10 a.m. That's why it's called the 10 o'clock flower. Water lightly every morning. This flower thrives in sunlight and dislikes soggy roots. Thanks for watching Unique Exotic Flowers. If you love exotic blooms, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more floral journeys with us.